Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It is 12:23 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, October 16th. Happy Friday. And after a nice gap down this morning, we have sold off to an exact level of support on the S&P anyway. It's the beginning of this gap fill, nice swing low, and also the 100 MA. So again, just a little 15-minute chart here, but since we're looking intraday, it makes sense. We are now heading back up into resistance and kind of consolidating on its the low here. If you look at an intraday even further, a little 3-minute chart here, you can see how the gap down got partially filled. Put in a little retracement of this. Easy to do. That was about a 38% retracement. Again, so not rare to see that happen. And we're always kind of looking for how those swing highs are going to corroborate. But then we did sell off back through this. That 109 mark that we warned about became that resistance, and the 38% retrace sold off to 108.60, which is a line from yesterday, down to a swing low, chopped around there. Now again, we're just sort of putting in a consolidation. Series of higher swing lows, but when you look at the VIX, you can see that we kind of popped up and we are above the 22 mark again. So in context, that is a high base, all right, even though it's below a lot of the moving averages. And on a 60-minute chart, you can see the kind of work we have to do to go higher, but that is a little bit bearish. The trend is at 1.52, so there's some volume flowing into stocks on the decline, even though it's starting to blip down here a little bit. The trend Q also at 1.24, starting to get into the bearish zone as well. The tick intraday has spent a good part of the day both above and below zero, so not too rare, just a few spikes above and below plus and minus 800. So good stuff. That's what I see in the broad markets right now. On a daily chart, don't forget, after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars in a row with tiny little consolidation and another run up into resistance on a higher time frame, that we need to consolidate for a while is what it feels like. You can't just abjectly go higher because of profit taking. So be very, very careful again how you go along. I've been saying that the whole time, but looking for intraday patterns right now would probably be a little safer than looking to go long on the broad market. Again, we could end up at 150 bucks in 3 days, but just thinking about the odds and what I've seen before. So good stuff, everybody. Stay tuned for D7's video at the close, and I hope you're having a great day so far, and have a great weekend coming up.